Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am back with another video and I am going to go through and show you how I create a matching notebook and planner. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you hit the notification bell. So I'm going to go right on in to Tangent Templates. Alright, so Tangent Template is just a resource that I use for interiors. They have a whole lot of different interiors, just about all of the interiors that you can think of. But today I am going to basically just use their journal paper and their dynamic, not the dynamic templates, but like the planner templates where they have a year view, they have weekly and daily planners, and then they also have monthly planners. Now also in Tangent Template, you can go ahead and put in your trim size, how many sheets, and then you download it, and it also gives you print ready dimensions for Canva, Keynote, and some other websites where you can go ahead and have your cover dimension size ready. So I'm going to go ahead and take those dimension size for the first ones that I did download and go ahead and transfer that into Canva so I can have my cover ready. When I go do my 8.5 by 11, I'm also going to do this same exact step. I'm going to download my templates from Tangent, and then I'm going to take the dimensions for the cover and I'm going to transfer that over to Canva so I can have my dimensions for my larger planner cover. So now we are back into Canva and I am changing the dimensions for my 8.5 by 11. Again, like I told you guys, you can get it in inches or in pixels, but I always choose inches just because it's a little bit easier. So I am going to go ahead and get that set up. So now I have my 6 by 9 cover and my 8.5 by 11. So next I'm going to go to small PDF, right? So I use small PDF to merge my PDF documents. As you can tell, or if the screen was going too fast, I did download like a full 2-year yearly planner that had all of the dates. And then I also downloaded, I think it was monthly planners. I am going to later go back in and do weekly, I believe, just to make the book a little bit longer. So the 8.5, 11 ends up being 111 pages. And then the 6 by 9 is just 180 journal sheets. So here I am going to see the page mode so I can basically see what my sheets look like. Like I did tell you guys, I will go back later and add more sheets, but so far this is what I have. This was probably about 30 sheets. I am going to download this and then change the name so I know exactly what it is when I go to look for it. Alright, so I am back in Canva and I am going to just go through the process of creating my cover. If you've seen any of my Canva cover tutorials here, you know that I normally use a line to make the indication of where the middle of the journal is. I am going to use a marble theme, which you'll see me go ahead and search for a photo or element of a marble. I'm also just going to use the regular text to create a text cover. It's going to be super simple, nothing too advanced, so you can just watch this in high speed mode. The 6 by 9. I am not going to show you guys how I uploaded onto KDP because I already have a video there and I actually have a whole course on how to upload to KDP. But in the next video, what you will see is an actual copy of the planner and the notebook. So I hope you guys enjoyed this in teaching you how to create a notebook and matching planner. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share. And until next time, love you more than love this video.